Hello, everyone. I'm back for more coding fun. And well, this works great for having it read to me when I'm busy. Working 40 hours a week and trying to do as much homework as I do in a week takes a lot out of you. But I like coding and definitely want to get into it. Now, let's see, what is this supposed to do? Opens a file named plants text. So let's save and very much not you. I need to go fix that because if this is supposed to open because this is looking for plants text, and what I know is that it will error out if it's not exactly the same, including case sensitive. TS. There. Okay. And debug mode. Oop. Wrong spot to click that. Restart. There. Okay. So this is opens plants text for reading at line 26. At line 30, there's a loop that reads the file one line at a time and repeats the body of the loop for each line of the file in the body between here to here, and that's cleaning. Oop, there we go. Accidentally muted myself. And testing. Okay, good. I see the microphone there. And let's see here. So nothing too exciting, but I kind of want to see it anyway. And how big is this text file? Not very cool. That works. So make sure I'm clicked in the right area. File name, text list, text.io. Okay. Oh, that's fun. So it actually shows the new line portion on there, and then the new line gets cleaned off with the strip. That's fun to see. Let's I am too easily amused. Way too easily amused. Okay. And so, sweet. Okay. That's neat. And then And now let's see how you behave. Let's see. Line 12, program creates a CSV reader. Open CSV. Okay, and that loops through, opens, and prints each row. Okay, that's not that many. Cool. Okay, I will go through because I want to. And oops, I'm going to restart that. I went way too fast. IO text wrapper. IO text IO wrapper name in. Oh, that's interesting. I think it had the same thing before on the other. I might have to go back to that. Wonder what that line is. So in this case, it just goes through and prints each line. What I want to know is Control Z, turn you off, turn you back. I want to see what happens in here. Oh, no, does not. That's a, oh, there it is. Okay, so it seems something about the with open puts this little thing there, which now leaves me. Oh, that's a poem I wrote. I read a lot of poetry. Wanting to see, does that have the same encoding or what? And edit, redo. And, huh. RT, so in this case, everything's the same. Huh. So this doesn't matter, the file at least. I wonder. Now I'm curious. Routing equals CP 1252. Oops, I forgot that. Okay, so the fact that we're using Latin alphabet is what that's all about. And that I think means it can read it, I think. Mode equals reading T represents text mode. Okay, so that's just telling it to read text mode and underscore IO dot text IO wrapper. That's not what I was interested in. Let's, because this doesn't seem useful. So let's go to the more powerful search engine. As far as why I do Bing, they actually give me gift cards for searching on their site. And I've had, I think, 3 or 4 different $20 or $25 Amazon gift cards I've gotten from that. So I'll use multiple search engines for that. This looks like what I'm interested in. Python has a built-in function. Gives us back. Technically, we get an object, but we don't talk about it that way. We refer it to a file object. Useful and handy, but not quite what I was looking for. Interesting. Huh. Probably just have to dissect Python's support stuff. I doubt it'd even be. What I wanted to find is just, I guess I don't know what I wanted to find. I just wanted to see what I can find and see if anything sparked more fun and curiosity. And yes, I am literally just that curious. Why? Because it's fun to be that way. And if the phrase curiosity killed the cat had even the slightest hint, just to a paper cut level of truth to it, I would have been dead by the time I got to 5. Why? Because I'm curious and oops, I need to make sure to get the dentist folder. Okay. And save. I remember what this one does. This one is trying to find out who is going to be the dentist with the most clients per employee. And it got to stop doing that. Okay. Reader object, that's a memory object. Thank you, Harvard's lesson. And so I really like this debug mode. I like seeing how the computer processes everything. It's fun. Number of patients, number of employees. Wow. Running max. And now it's going to see that's less, so it won't add any. Populates up the next object, splits out the name of the company, pulls out the employees, pulls out the number of patients, and updates the list. It's still smaller. And now that gets updated. And then it tells us that the cornerstone is going to be the one that has the most. Cool. And this is the dentist. Okay, so this one puts it into a compound list. What I've noticed that my classes do, and part of me kind of likes this strategy that they use. They go over it and once and then build up, and then they in one class and then in the next class, which is this is my second, they go over a lot of the same stuff I've already gone over, but go over it a little deeper and showing the functions portion as well. And so it's kind of acts as review while also acting like um, something, while teaching you something new at the same time. I kind of enjoy that structure. Review is a repetition, I've heard, is the Lord's law of learning. Okay. Opens dentist. Wonder why that's the question I want to know. What reasoning went in to building it using those terms? In IO, I'm assuming input output, text, input output, wrapper is my guess. But why that? Huh. I know it doesn't matter, but I'm curious. Okay. Oh, yes, and that's adding into a compound list. Oh. Hmm. Oh, so this is just showing the item it's adding into the list, not the actual whole list. Okay, that makes sense. And this is showing the actual whole item. Okay. Hmm. Cool. And that would be the end of it. Huh. Interesting. That's fun. I like that. Now, what are you? It looks like you're still working with the dentist one. And yep, dentist, still the dentist one. Yep. Let's get you put in the right spot. And let's just go ahead and make you bigger because I'll probably make it bigger anyway. And oh yeah, what is this thing supposed to be doing? Pair values. Shows how to read the data into a compound dictionary. Nine 14.8 uses the dental office phone numbers as the keys. Yep, I see it. Hmm. Huh. Okay, and that is it. I'll probably listen to those tomorrow. And one of the reasons I like Edge is this little button here. I click here, I then get a read aloud option and it reads it aloud while I'm at work and goes from there. Makes it kind of nice. And so I listen to it and then I come back and explore it and it works nicely. And next, I want to do, that is 9. I want to do checkpoint. And I probably won't have time to code anything today for that, but I can get it prepped. Let's take a look and see what I need to do. download this guy. And okay. Now, open the file for reading. Open contents of the file to a list where each line is stored. Print the entire list, remove first element from the list, remove the last element from the list, replace all instances of AB with Alberta. That'll be fun. Okay, so, and what is this supposed to be called? .py. Okay, providences.py. Okay. And then okay. That is about all the time I have today. And I'm really going to enjoy getting back to where I can do more coding, but this will have to be it. I will see everyone tomorrow.